Alright guys, welcome back to Swanee Ridge Outdoors. We out here on a plantation that we got invited to come fish at called Little River Plantation. We got a nice pretty lake out here, and we got Johnny Hutch behind the camera, and I'm gonna be up here running the boat, and we're gonna see if we can't get on a couple bass. Y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna be throwing a gold rattle trap first. I got old Abu Garcia rod and reel combo right here. One of my favorites. We're gonna see what happens today. First fish of the day right here. Little old small yearling bass.
On the gold rattle trap.
The gold rattle trap.
That was what, about the third cast?
About the third cast. It's a pretty fish. Small, but she's pretty. We're gonna let her go. Got another little old yearling bass on the gold rattle trap. Started the day off pretty good so far. Send her on back. Gonna try the old glow tape lures out today. See if this old black trick worm right here will work or not. Y'all stay tuned and I'll let y'all know. What we got right here, Johnny?
I think we got a little small one here.
A little small one? What number fish is that?
You what, number 4?
4.
Little yearling bass.
Well, now that duck season's came to an end, we'll be doing a lot of this. Need to add some more fish. Yeah, what's the water temp right now? Well, it's about 51 degrees out.
51?
Look, we got right here.
You got one?
Yes, sir. Another small one, but I'm just glad to be catching.
Oh yeah. That's all that matters.
That's right. I snatched it out of his mouth. You did what? I snatched it out of his mouth, son. I tell you, Johnny.
Things just taste so dang good, they want to spit it out and then chew it back up.
Came back for it.
Oh, glow tech.
Glow tech lures right here, baby. My personal favorite lure.
It was looking pretty good, wasn't it?
We getting on them, boys. We getting on them. The owner of this property asked us to keep a few of the little ones because they're a little overpopulated in here. So we're gonna try to fillet them out. Have us a full fish fry. Is that it? I'll say about 6 of them.
We're gonna have us a
SRO fish fry.
we're gonna have us a good fish fry. We're gonna fry some deer meat, fry some fish. We're gonna watch the Super Bowl, see how it turns out. Have us a big get together.
You know,
There you go.
I say I want the Bengals to win. I'm a Georgia fan, so I kind of want Matthew Stafford to win. So I don't know. I'm just gonna be there for the fish fry.
Better fish?
Thank God. Just swimming, kind of weird. Nice little fish. Got some yellow ears, cuz.
Yeah, I see that. Yeah, we finding the fish now.
Fish right here.
What you got there, B? Oh yeah,
Some good fish. Oh, come on.
work it, B.
Yes, sir.
There you go. That's what we came here
That's what
for.
we came here to catch right there, fellas. That's what we're after. That's the fish right there. Look at how fat she is. Fat fish, healthy fish. We're about to see what she weighs. Let me break the scales out. Look at that. Barely hooked. That's a beautiful fish right there. That's a pretty fish. Pretty.
Don't get no better than that.
It don't get no better. 4 pounds, 7 ounces.
4.7.
It's a nice fish.
That is.
Nice fish.
We'll send her on back.
Yep.
She got a belly full of eggs. And just like that, she's gone. There it is, another little dink.
Another little one. Saw it though. I'll catch them all day.
Oh yeah, I'll take them high and get them. That's a fact. Push them right through the eyeball.
We've been catching a pretty good bit of fish out here. This is a pretty place.
It is.
Real pretty.
How many acres is it out here altogether, B?
I think this plantation is close to 6,000 acres or something like that. It's
It's got what,
Pretty-
another 3 or 4 holes on it?
yeah, it's got another 3 or 4 holes. Like Johnny's got another one right here.
Yeah, a little better.
That's a little better fish there. That's a good one. Oh yeah.
See if I can get him in the camera right there.
Old Johnny done caught him a fish.
Y'all got any recommendations on any baits y'all want to see fished, or any places y'all want us to go that's nearby? Georgia, Florida, anywhere close to the surrounding states.
Right.
We'll try it out. Y'all just shoot us a message or comment on the video, and
Or if there's any of y'all that want to go fishing with us, y'all give us a call. We'll all load up and go fishing.
be more than glad to take anybody.
Double it.
Yeah, let's see. Look, Johnny, there's a double. We got a double up. Double up. First one of the day.
What you got right there, Johnny?
Got a double right here.
Got a double up, don't we?
Ooh.
Double.
There he is.
There he is. That's a good fish. Small fish. That same size I've been catching all day. Who's up here around this log?
If y'all enjoy what you're seeing, us catching fish and other videos like this, like and subscribe to the page, please. What's chasing?
Nah, you got a piece of. Oh, you got a bass right there, son. Get him.
Look, young.
Young.
Bass on the brim pole. Little old fella.
I see what's hitting our bait. Oh, he can't catch him. Little. Alright, we're back. Swanee Ridge Outdoors. Me and Johnny went fishing yesterday and caught a bunch of bass, and now we're going to show y'all how we like to clean them and eat them. Whenever we filleting fish, we like to take the fish, put a Bubba blade fillet knife, one of my personal favorites. Cut him there. Throw the meat over. Cut the rib cage out. Throw it in the bucket, and now you got a good piece of meat. That's just how we like to do them. We like to fry them up, and that's how we like to eat them. And you flip the fish over, get the other side. just about got the fish knocked out. Oh, Johnny, he's a little late to the fish cleaning. He's early on the fishing though.
Yeah.
He's filleting all these fish up.
I try to show up when there's just enough work to get me by.
Just enough for him to get to eat some of them. Got some fish cleaned right there. Got Johnny cutting on the last one, getting the ribs cut out of it. Good piece of meat.
That's all there is to it. Well, this concludes a day full of SRO fishing. We appreciate y'all and everything y'all do for us and keep us going. We'll be back.